everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are standing in front of my 1968 Chevelle. This vehicle has been in my family for many years. My dad purchased this vehicle back in the early 1970s, and we're definitely going to start a restoration on this vehicle. If you see my previous video, I restored a 1986 Ford Ranger, but this is going to be definitely a huge challenge. We want this vehicle to be 100% done correctly. But before, again, we start with that, we need to make sure I can be able to move this car with ease back and forth. And if you guys watched my previous video where we went to go pick up this car, it was sitting in a garage for 22 years. I had issues with the wheels moving. So again, I need to be able to move it with ease. So what we're going to be doing today, we are going to go ahead and check every single wheel, see how bad the brakes are stuck to the drums. If they are really stuck, we're just going to pull the brakes off and leave them off. Again, we're going to convert the front brakes into disc brakes. We're going to put new product in the back anyway. So that's what we're going to do today. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to click on the bell. That way you guys get notifications on the next videos that are coming out, because we will be restoring this vehicle. I'd like to see you guys' comments, what you guys think. If you have any suggestions, any ideas. I've never restored a 1968 Chevelle. I don't have a lot of experience. So if you guys have suggestions on how to do certain things or stuff like that, please feel free to give me some ideas. Thanks guys. See ya. Alright guys, that's the end of this episode. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit subscribe. Also click on the notification bell, that way you guys get messages, reminders when the videos are out. And stay tuned, we're going to keep moving forward with this project. Thanks for your comments, guys.